Hi guys, it's your regular tutor Mr. Salahuddin again, and today we will take a look at some economic and political concepts. If you can recall, in our previous classes, we've looked at political concepts, we've looked at power, we've looked at authority, but today we're looking at socio-economic concepts like communalism, we have feudalism, capitalism, socialism, and communism. The good thing about socio-economic concepts is that they help in organizing our society and ensure more decorum in our given environment. Communalism as a socio-economic concept cannot be overemphasized also. It is a form of a community, a group, who show common understanding and offer the same language. They have similar manners and they share the same traditions and laws. Communalism is a political and economic arrangement of a community to cooperate and come together to harness their resources together for the good of everybody. This means that communalism as a social political concept is a pre-existing arrangement of the people for people to see themselves as one in the society. This arrangement can be seen, let's say, in ancient traditional African tradition, and also we can also see it in the ancient Asian community, because before the emergence of capitalism and socialism, there had been a system and an economic system in existence even before feudalism. Communalism was later overshadowed by feudalism, capitalism, and maybe communism also, because it is argued almost in every quarter that the world has not yet achieved or reached the communist environment, except in some few cases like China. So when we talk about communalism, we talk about togetherness. Communalism is when people come together and see themselves as one. There is no high, there is no hope, there is no extremely rich person, there is no poverty-stricken person in society. Everybody comes together as one and see themselves. This system in Africa before was championed by many prominent leaders. For example, Julius Nyerere of Tanzania and so many other people. They've also clamored that Africa should return to communalism. An illustration of this system was when there was a time in Africa whereby all we had was clan, tribe, and villages. Everyone clustered up in small hamlets, living together in society, but they see themselves as brothers, sisters, and a people in a community, not as the Olowos or the Talakawas of the society. As an individual, it is safe for you to go to your neighbor's house, sit there, eat, come out. As a person, you can go to your neighbor's farm, help them farm, and also live together. That was the system before the advent of feudalism, capitalism, and socialism. So what are the essential features of communalism? The first one is that there is this collective ownership of resources. The resources in the environment belongs to everybody, not just one person. The second one is that individuals, they have the opportunity to participate in a particular development in society. Communalism also can be seen as a way of self-government. Another feature of it is that landed properties is collectively owned by the community. One of the features is also that there is no room for exploitation. And as I've said earlier on, it is a common feature in the village set. The things that are collectively owned also in a communalist environment are schools, farms, health centers, healthcare services. They are all owned by the community. And also, the small community is said to be the main unit of government. The last but not the least is that a strong relationship exists among the people of the community, making everybody is brothers keepers. That's it on communalism. If you have any question, please do not forget So drop your question in the comment section, and also like our page and subscribe and invite your friends. Thank you very much. See you in our next class. Bye.